Hello everyone, I am Ullas Agrawal and in this video we are going to discuss the question number 15th of the first mock test which is present in the NTA Abhyas website, not website app. Now, NTA has done a very good job of giving so many tests, so we thought of helping the students with their solutions. So without wasting any time, let us start with question number 15th of the first mock test. Let me share my screen with you. Okay, so you should see the screen sharing within like 2 or 3 seconds now. Okay, so question. So question is right there in front of you. Water is filled up to a height of h in a beaker of radius r, and like you can read the question after pausing the video. Okay. Now consider a vertical section ABCD of water. The force on water on one side of this section by water on the other side. Now, so we have to say that okay, there are two parts of this water. So one part of the water, let me just shade it, is on the left side. So that is this water here, and the other side of the water is the blue water. This blue water. So these are the two like semi-cylindrical kind of parts of the water. So obviously the red water is applying force on the blue water is applying force on the red water. We have to find the force between them. It is a medium level question that it involves the concept of the pressure at the center of mass. It involves the concept of the surface tension also. Okay, now one water will be applying force on the other water in two ways, or in fact there are two types of forces that these two waters are applying on each other. Okay, so what I will do is I will draw the diagram of the left water, left half, which is the red water. Let me just try once. Okay, so this is the left half. So mm, so this left half will get force from the right half. Now the thing is, this left half and right half, they are forming a top surface. So that top surface is circular. So this is the top surface. Now in the surface of the liquid, surface tension is present, and any part of the surface will pull the other part of the surface with which it is in contact. And the force of attraction between the two parts of the surface is distributed over the entire length in contact. And the force that one part of the surface applies on the other part of the surface per unit length in contact is called surface tension. So we can say that, okay, here also I think it is better to see. So let me just say that, okay, one part of the surface is the green surface, which is a part of the entire red part of the water, and other part of the surface is this violet surface. So green surface and violet surface both are completely making up the total top surface of the liquid. And these are the two parts of the surface, so they are pulling each other over the entire length in contact. Now what is the length in contact between them? The length in contact between them is this AB length, and this length AB is of length 2r. So over this entire 2r length of the surface, there is a surface tension force present between the two sides. Okay, so this left part, what is happening? Yeah. So this left half of the surface, what is not an issue, even if it goes away. Yeah. So this left half of the surface will be pulled by the right half of the surface, and the pulling will be like this. And this pulling is a surface tension force. And the surface tension force per unit length is T. So surface tension force per unit length is T multiplied by the length in contact. Length in contact is 2r. So this is the pull which this green part of the surface is getting from the violet part of the surface. This T into 2r, this is the surface tension force. And green part of the surface is a part of the left liquid. And so left liquid will get, which means green surface of the left part of the liquid or left half of the liquid will get this T into 2r. Now apart from this surface force which the surface of the left half of the liquid is getting, apart from this there is a pressure force also. Now the pressure force is present throughout the area in contact, and the area in contact between the left half and the right half is shaded with blue. So this thing is the area in contact. Now to calculate the area in contact, we need this length which is 2r and the height. Now what is the height given in the question? Height given in the question is h only. Okay, where is it? This H. So this height is H. So this total blue shaded area that you can see, which is the area in contact between the left half of the liquid and right half of the liquid, the area in contact is 2R into H. Now, what is the pressure at the center? Because for any vertical part of the liquid, the pressure force can be calculated as pressure at the center of mass of the liquid multiplied by the total area. So, if we say that on top of this liquid there is an atmosphere present, so here the pressure is P naught atmosphere. So, if we go a distance of h by 2 down, so where is the center? At the center, what will be the pressure? Well, that depends on the variation of pressure. With depth, the pressure increases. If we go down or downwards by a distance h, then the pressure increases by rho g h. In this case, we are going only by h by 2. So what is the pressure at the center? Pressure at the center is P naught plus rho g into h by 2. Pressure at the center into the total area in contact. This is the pressure force between the left liquid and the right liquid in the entire blue shaded area in contact. So this is the pressure force. Apart from the pressure force which the right half is applying on the left half, the right half has a surface also. Left half also has a surface. And the right half's surface will be pulling the left half's surface towards right by an amount of T into 2R. So there is a pushing force, there is a pulling force. The pushing force is a pressure force, the pulling force is a surface tension force. The overall force that these two guys apply on each other, the left half and the right half, will be equal to P naught plus rho g h by 2 into 2RH minus T into 2R. And why we are doing subtraction is because these two forces are oppositely directed. Have a good day.